Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So for today's video, we are reviewing this portable door lock. So you can take this with you anywhere you go. Let's go ahead and open it up, show you what's inside the box. By the way, I'll put a link in the video description where you can get everything. So it comes with a little instruction booklet to tell you and show you how it's used, but we're going to go ahead and show you. You get a little pouch here, and this is it. Go ahead, open up the door that you're going to be placing this on. So it's going to go in just like this. Alright, then once you get it in and line it up, slowly close the door with it on. Now as you can see, now you go ahead, place this in. So now, as you can see, we're turning it, trying to open the door. You cannot get inside now. So it's that simple and that easy to use. No matter what they try and get in. So as you can see, if we open it now, it will come open. And if you put it in at another angle, just like we did now it props it even more, and now nobody can get in at all. Now it's even more solid. You can go ahead and pull that out. You can drop it down like this, where it's kind of loose. But I like the best way, which is placing it in like this, and then jamming it down, and there you go. Extra security. Links in the video description if you're interested.